Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best GoPro poles that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 3-in-1 waterproof aluminum GoPro pole. The 3-in-1 design allows you to use this GoPro pole with different purposes with ease. It functions as a selfie stick, a tripod, and a pole that is compatible with both GoPro cameras and smartphones. Another great thing is that you can easily extend this pole from 8.5 inches to 28 inches within seconds. As for tripod mode, its magnetic legs will remain stable to ensure perfect shootings every time for you. On top of that, this GoPro pole is super durable, rust-resistant, and waterproof. With it, you will be able to capture videos or photos under the rain or in the water with ease. Plus, with the comfortable and firm grip, it is super convenient and easy to use. So versatile and ergonomic, this GoPro pole makes a great companion to have for everyone. You might want to check it out. This option is super nice to have and use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the portable and lightweight handheld GoPro pole. Here we have another aluminum GoPro pole with durable construction that you might like. The unique thing about this option is that it features the twist and lock design that delivers quick extension. Speaking of extension, you can easily extend this pole from 9.5 inches to 32 inches in different modes. Since it functions as both a pole and a tripod, using it is so versatile and convenient. Apart from GoPro cameras, you can also use your smartphones or action cameras with this pole as well. The comfortable grip allows you hold the pole firmly and tightly in hand with zero fatigue. Not to mention that it is also compact and lightweight, using and bringing it along with is so easy. With both quality and durability along with comfort, we are sure that you will surely like this GoPro pole. At number 3, we have the floating extendable GoPro pole. Since it floats, you won't have to worry that you will lose your camera and pole in the water at all. The cool thing about this GoPro pole is that it features the combination between extendable and floating pole. That makes it super long and ergonomic to use, while you can also use them separately as well. Both the poles features the construction from high-quality carbon fiber, which is lightweight yet durable. It does not break or lose its shape easily at all to ensure long-lasting performance. That is not all. This GoPro pole also comes with fast locking system to ensure fast and convenient extension. Plus, with the adjustable wrist strap, this pole will always be with you all the time. So sleek and convenient to use, this is one of the best GoPro poles that you should have. Since it is compatible with GoPro cameras as well as Osmo action cameras, using it is so simple and easy. Let's take a look and see it matches with your cameras and preferences. At number 2, we have the waterproof GoPro pole with phone holder. The phone holder that this GoPro pole comes with allows you to use both your smartphone and GoPro camera simultaneously. Plus, with its waterproof and durable body, using this pole is just so convenient and fun. The awesome part is that the pole comes with the construction from aluminum alloy material. It is waterproof and rustproof, and it is also resistant against rain, snow, and more as well. With it, you will be able to record great videos and take nice photos under any circumstances. On top of that, you can also easily extend this pole from 8 inches to 35.5 inches and lock it in place with a simple twist, and this pole will stay in place after the extension right away. After use, you can easily fold it and store in the backpack or even a purse, which is so convenient. This GoPro pole is ideal for outdoor sports and other activities, and its durability lasts for years. Not to mention the wide compatibility, this is the option that you should have in mind. And finally, at number 1, we have the 2-in-1 extendable and waterproof GoPro pole. Easy and simple to use, this 2-in-1 pole functions as both a GoPro stick and a tripod. At the same time, its telescoping pole allows you to extend its length from 8 inches to 36 inches with ease. Plus, with the silicone rubber and comfortable hand grip, using this pole is simply convenient and easy. Another thing that we like about it is that you can use it for handheld shooting, fixed shooting, and framing self-timer. Either way you choose, it is all fun and efficient, which is why we like it. As for the quality, this GoPro pole is super sturdy and durable to ensure long-lasting performance. This pole is also very lightweight and compact as well, so that you can use it everywhere you go. This GoPro is compatible with most GoPro Hero cameras as well as other action cameras and smartphones. Such great quality with this price. This is going to be the purchase that you will not regret making.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.